I think I fell for a bot. His texts were perfect. Too perfect. I saw the long dashes. Those ChatGPT long dashes. If you know what I mean. Was I dating a person or a prompt? I needed to see the man behind the messages. Here is how he first walked into my life. We met in an art gallery. Real room, not an app, rare thing these days, I think. He stood by a small painting, deep blue and soft yellow. Quick eye contact. A real smile. 2 short comments about color, a clean spark. We did not linger. Numbers exchanged. A simple promise to text. Exit with that quiet, giddy feeling. He texted that night. Great timing. Light, a little messy, very him. Then the tone shifted. Sentences turned perfect. Commas nailed. Phrases like, in this busy world, and, I truly appreciate your perspective. Long dashes in the middle of a sentence like a drum roll. I could hear the ChatGPT. I could almost see the prompt. I was in my studio, wrapped in a warm blanket and sipping hot cocoa. The city lights in the background. My phone lit up the desk. I read his words out loud. Kind, careful, also, borrowed. So I asked myself a few fast questions. Am I reading him or a tool? Is AI a cheat or a helper? If a helper starts a line and he edits it to sound like him, is that honest enough? If he never says he used help, is that a lie or just a privacy? I thought about the gallery. There, his jokes were a bit crook in the best way. He reached for a word, missed, tried again, and we laughed. He even said that sounded better in my head. I liked that man. Little mistakes feel like fingerprints. They say a person was here. The next day, the polish went up again. A callback that was correct but cold. Effort, yes. Presence, not really. Part of me loved the care. Part of me missed the guy who smiled before his mouth was ready. Maybe this is life now. We edit photos, we fix typos. We search for a cleaner line. AI is here. The real question is sharper. Can the person stay here too? Or do I want a simple rule for my own heart? I want the person I date to be the author of his message, even if it is simple, even if it trembles. I want the gallery voice on my screen. Not a ChatGPT, him. So I ran a tiny test. I wrote like a person, no script. No perfect glow, I typed. I liked the blue in that storm painting. Which room do you like the most? That is it. Real question. Real me. He answered fast, not a speech. He wrote, the last room with the white bench, and also the small room near the exit. Then he asked, what did the yellow mean to you? No ChatGPT tone, no long dashes. Just him, close enough that I could hear his voice again. So here is my reveal. I don't need everything to be old school. I can help a shy person start a sentence. But, by the second line, I want your own voice. If a tool helped, say it once and move on. If a line sounds like ChatGPT, drop it, and try a smaller one. Keep the fingerprint. Bring me the man from the gallery. Yes, the future is here. The robots have a chair at the table. Romance still runs the same test. If I close my eyes and read your text out loud, can I hear the person I met in the room? If yes, I can live with a little help. If not, I miss the painting where the storm tried to open a window, and I miss the man who noticed it with me. Thanks for watching.